Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can use app in pop-up mode, since most people face the issue of wanting to use two apps at the same time. For example, let's open Gallery, so you might want to use Gallery while same time using for example YouTube. So to use it, first click on the Recent button, and then go click on the top of the apps icon, and as you can see now we have so many suggestions to choose from. So immediately go on Open in pop-up, as you can see it showed up in a menu view. So let's open YouTube. So as you can see YouTube is open, while Gallery is opened as well. And as you can see you can use both Gallery and YouTube. And if you press the home button, you can see that suddenly our app became an icon. You can move it however you want, and if you click on it, you will see that it opens again. Also you can click on this button to put it back to full screen app. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.